Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this video, I'll be fishing with the Zactcraft Zaguna Micro. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. I want to welcome you to the next video here. And in this video, we will be bass fishing with the Zactcraft Zaguna Micro right here. In this lure is 1/4 of a length. It's 1/8 ounce in its actual weight in itself. It's got, as you can see in the front here, it's got that front piece right there, just like a jitterbug right there. On the actual back of it, as you can see, it actually has a cicada bug design on it in the back. And on the inside of it, there are beads inside of it, which give it a rattling noise. It's got big eyes like an insect. Got one singular hook here because this is actually the micro version. There's actually a Zanga, a larger version of this. It's a little bit bigger than this one right here. But this one right here, the sole purpose of this lure as a topwater lure is to help you get those bites of those bass and other game fish such as bluegill, crappie, or whatever when they're hitting those insects on the top. And because it has that little rattle in it, it does create quite a bit of disturbance and noise and wake because of the jitterbug front of it here as well. Also, in this video, you're also going to get a chance to see me fish with the Bumble Bug. Let me show that to you real quick here. The Bumble Bug is really actually a fly, and it's made by Rebel, and you may have seen this one at the stores before, but it's a fly. And this one right here, I'm going to show you some footage of me as a bonus of me catching fish on the Bumble Bug, which is nothing more than a little insect as well. So you're going to get this one as a bonus video, and then you're going to get a chance to see me catching fish on this lure right here. So as always, I always ask everybody the same questions. What do you think about it? What's your thoughts about it? But what I will tell you is that when it's time to catch those bass or other game fish and they're hitting insects, these are the kind of lures that you want to have in your toolbox. So I'll give you guys once again a closer look at this right here. Singular hook, but that hook is really sharp in the back. Big eyes in the front here. Lots of rattle, lots of noise, a little bit of cool design there. I actually bought this particular lure from the Hook Up Tackle, and the price as of the date of this video was $18.99. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and head out to the water and start fishing with the Zactcraft Zaguna Micro. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and we're out at the lake, and we're fishing with this little Zaguna little micro lure, and that's what we're going to be fishing with. And we're just going to put it out here on the lake, and we're going to see what we can make happen. All right. There we go. There we go. All right. We got one, everybody, on that Zaguna, on that little micro Zaguna right there, top water. Got this little bluegill on that micro Zaguna right there. So there it is again, just so you can see it. There it is one more time. Oops. All right, everybody. There's that little bluegill on that micro Zaguna right there. All right. Oh, God, missed him. Missed him. And here is the actual jitterbug in the water doing what it does. As you can see right there, show you guys that one more time here. That's that jitterbug, what it does in the water. Let me show you what I'm actually doing with the jitterbug. So it crawled. I'm throwing it out there. I'm letting the rings, as you can see, start to disappear. And instead of just reeling it in, I'm actually popping it. So I'm actually just popping it a little bit with the tip of my reel, allowing it to appear to be crawling. You know, kind of like a bug would kind of like pop across the top of the water. And that's what I'm actually doing to create that action that I'm getting with my jitterbug. Well, I mean, with my Zinga. There we go. There we go. There we go. The Zinga. Zinga, everybody. Look at that. Look at that. We got him. We got him. We got him here. We got this one, everybody. Look at that. On that Zinga. Totally inhaled it right there. There's a nice one on that Zinga. That Zinga put in work. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video here on the Zinga, this micro topwater lure. I really been working it over the last couple of days. Haven't had a lot of luck, but I'm happy that I got a chance to show you some footage of me fishing with it and catching a couple fish on it. I think it's a great lure. I think it really has a lot of potential because you've got that jitterbug, but that Zinga's even smaller. And when they're really chasing those insects on top of the water, this is another lure that can really make a difference in your tackle box when it comes to trying to catch them when they're really biting something small. So I actually really do like it. I'm going to keep fishing with it, working with it, but I wanted to just kind of share this lure with you guys so that you can see what it's about, see what it does, see how it happens. So like I said before, I ended up getting that one from the hookup tackle. That's actually where I got that one from, and I really enjoyed it. I loved it, had a lot of fun fishing with it, and I hope to show you more footage of it in the future. But for right now, that's the fish I caught on it. But here's what I'm gonna do. I got another actual clip that I'm gonna add to this video here, and it's a little it's called a bumblebee, but it's like a bumble fly. And it's a little clip of me fishing with that one earlier, and I want to show you that one as well, because that shows you me catching them on insects as well. So that's what I got going on for you. So just hang in there, keep on watching this video, and please like, subscribe to the channel. And I want you to always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, it's going to be a big bite. All right. There we go. There we go. Woo! There we go. There we go. On the fly. On the fly, everybody. On the fly right there. Just want to show everybody that I got this one on a little fly, which is huge. That's pretty cool right there. On the fly. All right.